video. I don't drop my phone.
There's a cloud.
You guys parked on the street?
Yes. It's awful bouncy.
I know it is.
It's very bouncy. Because it's already bouncy.
Huh.
Might lose my shoes.
Where's your shoes? Get these nerds in there. Got my hand out. We stopped over the street. Stopped over
Oh
the
my
street.
word, it's so bouncy. Wait.
I ruined it.
Oh, were you wearing it?
Do it again.
No, I already did it. It is good.
Oh, okay. I would just cry if I dropped my cell phone.
Of course, pardon.
Yeah. Just go.
Yeah, didn't you like buy stuff? And couldn't you like
There was a
stop
little
over
shot.
here,
Yeah, there was a little shot.
get off and go down? Sky deck. Aw.
It's gone. The only thing that's left is that little shack up there.
Hey Jake, you scared? I can smell you from here.
Sup, Brodies?
What's that?
Zachary. It's going to Sky. You're welcome. Oh no, I'm gonna wet myself. Oh shoot. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Oh no, I'm gonna. Oh no.
It's pretty cool going down
It's not cool.
there. You can see the whole city from here.